Mom. So, first of all, I just want to thank God. Thank God for making this happen. 我觉得蛮准，负责bây giờ sáng giờ phải thông tin từ tôi BBS lúc mà thì nó chỉ mới tới mình chỉ lo tờ chơi lúc mà thì nó chỉ tạo nên là sao cho đời cho tu huấn sai huấn cho bây giờ mình nhỏ mày. So I just want to thank, you know, first most God, and then second of all, I just want to thank all of our teachers and volunteers. If you're a teacher and volunteer, come on up here. Let's give you some recognition. Come on. VBS is not just one person. It's really a team of individuals. And, you know, it's very successful because it's successful because these individuals care about this mission to teach the kids about VBS. It's okay. You guys should get the recognition. I just feel this, yeah, I don't know. Just seriously, it's, you know, it shows, you know, so I just want to thank all of my teachers and volunteers. Just God bless you guys and your service. And then last but not least is Jay, the teacher, the parents, everybody that came to support us during the week. Just thank you everybody for supporting our mission for VBS. VBS even for Bena, sometimes maybe it's just the next Sunday. But in these kids, they're gonna remember this forever. So I just want to thank you guys for supporting us each and every year. So thank you.